We are Qianxi specialists in the production of bespoke badges, labels, stickers and nameplates, based in China. With continuous development and rich printing experience in the production, Qianxi is your ideal partner for fantastic quality custom stickers, labels, decals, nameplates, graphic overlays and logo badges. Here at Qianxi, we serve all aspects of business and industry, producing a comprehensive nameplates, signs and labeling service, incorporating a wide variety of print processes and embracing advances in technology to produce cost-effective and good quality products. Centrally located manufacturing facility in Hangzhou City servicing the whole of the world. We would like to be your one-stop shop for identification products. The benefits to you are multifold. With our wide array of products, we can guide you to the better solution for your project, not just a solution. We will help you understand the differences among the options so that you can make a knowledgeable decision. There can be trade-offs among durability, appearance and cost, and that is your decision to make. We provide good quality products with extraordinarily fast shipments, door-to-door service, and you will get that on every order.